Mr. President, welcome to the White House.
Thank you. Thank you.
So glad you're here.
Thank you.
Obviously. Good?
Good.
Would you mind signing our guest book for us,
Thank you.
please? Please, have a seat.
Mr. President, very kind of you. Great honor.
I'll just meet with my son. Meet my son, Hunter.
Mr. President,
How are you? How are you, sir?
Honored to meet you.
How are you, sir?
Honored to meet you.
Thank you very much for receiving me.
Yeah, I'll see you. Nice to meet you.
Who's that fellow?
You know, Chief of Protocol.
I'm the Chief of Protocol.
How are you?
The same Chief of
It's not bad to eat protocol. Come on, come on.
Thank you, sir.
I'm going to make a brief opening statement. We're going to then say what you'd like to say, and then we'll try to get the press to leave, which is always difficult. And once then we can talk, all right?
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thanks for being here.
Thank you, sir. Great honor.
All right. We're marking an important anniversary, 75 years of diplomatic relationship with Indonesia and the United States, 75 years. I'm proud that the partnership between our countries is stronger than it's ever been, and today we're going to discuss how we continue to strengthen that partnership. First, in my view, by advancing free and open Indo-Pacific with ASEAN at its center. As two of the largest democracies in the world, it seems to me our nations have a special responsibility in this vision. Second, fighting the climate crisis. Indonesia is a critical player in the clean energy transition. And third, by building a secure and resilient supply chain. And finally, by deepening our comprehensive strategic partnership that includes deepening our security cooperation. We'll discuss also global challenges, including in Gaza and the South China Sea, with Mr. President. I'm looking forward to our discussion and welcome. I'd like to have you here, and the floor is yours.
Thank you. Thank you, President Biden. Thank you for receiving me. I also would like to thank you. You phoned me yourself upon my election, and
Great victory.
yes, thank you very much. And then finally, I could make it, and you received me today. United States for us is a great friend. United States supported us in our struggle for independence and helped us many times in our time of need. Therefore, I will work very hard to strengthen Indonesian-United States relationship, and I would like to work towards this end. That we have a strong cooperation. Once again, President Biden, thank you very much for.
Thank you. Look forward to our discussion.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Foreign Minister, Mr. President.
How are you?
Very well, thank you, sir.
He's a graduate of Norwich. That's my cabinet secretary.
Good to see you.
Thank
Thank you.
you. See you at the airport tomorrow.